In this video, I'll do a quick unboxing of the Chiaogoo Forte 2.0 interchangeable needle set. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. So I recently purchased the new Forte 2.0 interchangeable needle set, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing video for you. Here's what it looks like. It comes in this nice, sturdy box. Really nice. And so I will take the lid off. And it comes in this dust protector pouch with a silica gel to keep the moisture out. All right, so let's move this box out of the way. All right, so it is a pleather, it's a vegan leather case, really nice, and it's got a nice texture to it, in this gray color. Zipper is nice and sturdy. Let's see, get it unzipped. Open it up here. All right, they've got a little protector on the inside. There's a little hook on the inside, I guess, to hook something to. Perhaps it can stick out. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. So over here are some notions. There's a tape measure. Very, very nice. It's got the lighting is too bright. It's got a Chiaogoo logo embossed on the top, and it fits really nice in this slot. Here's a tin. With the end stoppers for the needles. Oh, these are all in a baggie here. So there's stitch markers and then end stoppers and connectors too, so that you can switch, you can join cables together, or switch between the small cables and the large cables, it looks like. So there's several different little connectors in there. And then a couple of safety pins and the tightening screws, a couple of tapestry needles, and a little rubber Chiaogoo heart for gripping your cables. So that's a nice touch. I'll leave that in the bag. And again, Chiaogoo logo, and then it slides, fits perfectly in there. There's a zipper pocket. Doesn't look like there's anything. There's nothing in there, just the silica packet. And a needle gauge. I dislike using these to measure gauge in my knitting, so I don't use that part, but having the needle sizer is helpful. And some really nice little scissors, quite pointy. And also have the Chiaogoo logo on those, and they fit quite nice. There's a pen and another slot for another pen. Nice touch. All right, and then over here are the needles. So the needles are on this page, kind of. It's got a nice sturdy, and it snaps. They're magnet snaps. So it magnetically snaps, so you can take this out and take this with you. That's a nice touch. And so the smalls, the small cable needles, or the needles that take these small cables, are on this side, and they range from size 2 to 8, including a 2.5. And then the needles that take the larger cable size are on this side, and they range from 9 to 15, including a 10.5. Yeah, so that's the vegan leather is a little sticky, so you know, since this is new, things kind of grip a little bit. But the sizes and the millimeters are printed here, and it's a nice elastic material. They fit in there quite snugly. Yeah, so that's nice. Then over here is a zipper pouch, and this is where they've included the cables that come with this set. So the cables that come with the set are the red twist cables in, so these are the small cables in 14 inches, 22 inches, and 30 inches. That's the length of the cable. So the 5-inch tips add 10 inches to those measures. And then a set of their SWIV 360 cables for the small cables connection. Again, 14-inch, 22-inch, 30-inch, and then a set of the SWIV 360 large cables in 14 inches, 22 inches, and 30 inches as well. So those all fit in there quite nicely. The tips are carbon with a stainless steel tip and a stainless steel cable connector. I believe the larger needles are wood, with the stainless steel tip and the stainless steel cable connector. I rarely use these large sizes. I most often use these smaller sizes, so I'm looking forward to trying these with that carbon material, since that should have a little more grip than the full stainless steel needles. Yeah, so I'm excited to give these a try. Have you purchased this set of needles? What do you think of them? Or are you interested in these? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I'm really looking forward to giving them a whirl, getting some knitting on them, and trying them out. So I hope this video gave you some idea of what the set is like, and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.